Test your knowledge on animals with 3 letters word. What animal is this? This is a cat. What animal is this? This is a dog. What animal is this? This is a cow. What animal is this? This is a fox. What animal is this? This is an owl. What animal is this? This is a pig. What animal is this? This is an elk. What animal is this? This is a yak. What animal is this? This is a bat. What animal is this? This is an egg. What animal is this? This is a bee. What animal is this? This is an ant. What animal is this? This is an eel. What animal is this? This is an emu. What animal is this? This is a gnu.